preparations: zinc chloride, zinc sulfate, dilute HCl, tartrazine and chloroform water. So this is the main ingredient here is the zinc salt, zinc chloride and zinc sulfate. So these are the metallic astringent. So this is called as the astringent mouthwash. And this tartrazine, this one is act as the is an azo yellow dye. This is an coloring agent, and this dilute HCl is mainly used for acidification purpose, and chloroform water here is act as the vehicle. So this was the role of astringents in dentistry. These astringents usually contracts the tissues. So these are mainly useful in this case of gum problems. Gum problems, this gingivitis, and this mouthwash are most effective for dental caries, and this is the main therapeutic uses. So this shows the antibacterial activities also, and cosmetically these are usually used for this the oral hygiene of our oral cavity. Okay, this is the main uses, and now we start our preparation. Here we are going to prepare for 50 ml of zinc chloride, zinc sulfate mouthwash. So for 50 ml, so I am paying for this 1 gram of zinc sulfate. This is our first ingredient, zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, this shows the astringent action. Okay, first we weigh the zinc sulfate. So before starting our exercise, you just check your balance and just adjust in equilibrium position. Then you start in your weighing process. First ingredient is zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate here is the act as the metallic astringent. Okay, so adding the small quantity of this first ingredient, and in this the zinc sulfate and zinc chloride and dilute HCl, compound tartrazine and chloroform water. These are the main ingredient. So here we can directly transfer to this measuring cylinder. Okay. Already weighed this zinc chloride. So I am transferring to this measuring cylinder. Then first we add the dilute HCl. Dilute HCl, then adding the 0.5 ml of dilute HCl is firstly added for this acidification purpose. This 0.5 ml. Then our next ingredient is a compound tartrazine, is an coloring agent. So this mainly contains 0.5 ml is required for this 50 ml preparation. 0.5 ml. Next ingredient is chloroform water. Here this chloroform water is act as the vehicle. So we require the 50 ml. So adding firstly the small amount of this chloroform water. So we add a small amount and then mix with this glass rod. So this showing the light yellow color because of this coloring agent tartrazine. This shows that is an orange yellow azo dye. So it's a good coloring agent. And next then we make up with 50 ml with this chloroform water. Okay. This is our preparation. It looks like this, the yellowish color. So this is a first example of an astringent mouthwash. It is mainly useful for this dental caries, gum problems. Okay, cosmetically this mainly used for this oral hygiene for our oral cavity. these astringents are categories are mainly helpful for this gingival tissues. So this astringents causes the contractions. Okay, and then we transfer to this the dispensing bottle. Here this chloroform water is also act as the good flavoring agent. This gives the good color. So preparation becomes this yellowish color. This is our astringent mouthwash. This is the yellow color, and this is the label format. Already written here. This is the mouthwash 50 ml, not to be swallowed, and then this is the patient's detail and direction for use. Same like this, the sodium chloride mouthwash is dilute in equal volume of water before use. Then place of manufacturing, Pushpagiri Medical College, and then you write the dispensed by your name and signature and register number. This is a good example of astringent mouthwash. Okay, thank you.